Rhubarb, we love rhubarb. Well, our teenagers aren't that fond of it, but we are. We've planted 5 plants, way too many, but the neighbors like it as well. It's possible to grow rhubarb from seed, but the downside is that it's quite difficult to grow from seed. That's why the majority of people buy a rhubarb plant. So much easier, and you get to eat it quicker. There are many different rhubarb varieties to choose from nowadays. And here are some of my favorites. Ace of Hearts, a rhubarb variety that is suited to the smaller garden. This variety is also used for ornamental purposes, because it has beautiful red and purple heart-shaped leaves and pink flower spikes. Champagne, this variety has beautiful pink-tinged stems and is sweet-tasting. Fulton Strawberry Surprise, very fast-growing rhubarb stems are a beautiful red color. Mammoth Red, you can guess from the name that it's a big rhubarb and can grow up to 5 feet high. Not a rhubarb plant to have if you have a small garden. But if you have the room in your garden, it's well worth growing as it's beautiful. Prince Albert, if you love your rhubarb so much, then this early cropping rhubarb is for you. Stockbridge Arrow, this is the rhubarb that I grow. Provides you with beautiful red-pink stems to eat over a long season, it just keeps cropping. This is a great variety and won't give you any trouble. Timberly Early, another variety that I grow. This rhubarb has lovely flavor, is an early cropper and is good for forcing. Victoria, this is a classic favorite for the allotment gardener. It's very easy to grow and it's non-stringy. Victoria rhubarb can be forced. There are many more varieties. But here are some of the classic rhubarb varieties and the ones that are mostly available from the garden centers. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day!